Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna do the live Copart auto auction.
Yep, and today's auction is gonna be from New York, Newburgh. We're gonna focus on a lot of exotic cars, some high-end vehicles, and we're gonna mostly focus on this 2004 Lamborghini Murcielago. We were actually really interested in this car because the pre-bid ended at only 25,000, and we were really curious what it was gonna go for. So towards the end of this video, you guys will see what that car went for. But it had very minimum damage, very light front end damage. It looked like a really clean car, but there might be something hidden, so we're not sure. So this is also the same car that I believe Tavares is working on right now, the Fast and the Furious Lamborghini. So he paid what, like around 100,000 for his?
I think so.
100,000, it's just not bad.
Yeah.
He's been working on it for a while, but
Around 80,000, yeah.
yeah. But I mean, that car has got some cool history to it, so. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Watch till the end. There's some pretty cool cars. We have some Teslas in there. We have some Range Rovers. Definitely that one Lamborghini, and then just high-end BMWs, Audis, Mercedes.
Also guys, we wanna introduce to you our friend Paul. He's also doing live Copart auto auction videos. A lot of his videos about his car, which is Audi TT. Right now he is doing a lot of Copart live auto auctions from United Kingdom. We found his channel very entertaining and also similar to what we do. Once again, his channel name is Cars for Paul. The link will be in the description.
Awesome, guys. I hope you guys enjoy his videos just as much as you guys enjoy our videos. Go ahead and follow him, give us a like, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Auction starting.